Nissan is elevating its full-size SUV game with the 2026 Armada, introducing a high-performance Nismo variant that's set to hit dealerships this fall. This body-on-frame SUV has been re-engineered to become the most powerful Armada yet, blending aggressive styling, enhanced dynamics, and a competitive price point to appeal to performance enthusiasts and families alike. Under the hood, the Nismo-tuned twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 engine produces 460 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque when running on premium fuel. This is a 35 horsepower increase over the standard model, achieved through refined engine mapping and adjusted valve clearances. A retuned exhaust system delivers a bolder, more evocative sound, amplified inside the cabin via an active sound enhancement system, creating an immersive driving experience. The Armada Nismo features sportier suspension tuning and a recalibrated electric power steering system for sharper handling. It rolls on 22-inch forged alloy wheels with high-performance all-season tires, complemented by red brake calipers that signal its enhanced braking capabilities. These upgrades ensure the Nismo variant is as engaging to drive as it is powerful. And externally, the Armada Nismo sports a striking redesign with a taller grille, revised front bumper with vertical air curtains, and a front splitter, accented by red highlights and Nismo badging. Unique fog lights, sportier side steps, and a rear bumper with a prominent diffuser add to its bold aesthetic. Exclusive color options include Nismo Stealth Gray with super black roof and black diamond pearl, enhancing its standout appeal. Inside, the cabin combines luxury and sportiness with black leather seats featuring quilted red centers and red contrast stitching, Nismo-branded headrests, aluminum pedals, a multicolor ambient lighting system, and a steering wheel with a red center stripe elevate the interior. Adjustable side bolsters on the front seats provide support during spirited driving, ensuring comfort without compromising performance. For the standard 2026 Armada, the PRO4X trim sees a minor update with optional second-row captain's chairs, reducing seating from 8 to 7 for added comfort. This enhancement caters to buyers seeking a rugged yet refined SUV experience. Pricing for the 2026 Armada Nismo has not been officially confirmed, but estimates place it between the PRO4X $75,950 and Platinum Reserve $76,990 trims, likely starting around $78,000. This positions the Nismo as a compelling value in the performance SUV segment, offering significant power and styling upgrades at a price competitive with rivals like the Chevrolet Tahoe RST or Ford Expedition Stealth Performance Package. Final pricing will be announced closer to the fall 2025 launch. The 2026 Armada Nismo showcases Nissan's commitment to blending performance, style, and practicality. With its potent engine, dynamic handling, and distinctive design, it appeals to those seeking a thrilling yet versatile full-size SUV. Whether cruising highways or towing up to 8,500 pounds, the Armada Nismo delivers a unique combination of power, presence, and value, making it a standout in Nissan's lineup.